Hello my dear friends. Students, in this video we are going to solve practice set 16.3. Lesson 16. Surface area and volume of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. This total practice set is based on the concept of volume of a cylinder. So for that you just need to remember a formula. Only one formula. The formula is volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So in this formula, volume V, pi constant, r radius, r square radius, h height, means three values are there: volume, radius and height. If among these three values two values are given, we can find out third, and if two values are not given, at least clue to find out those values is definitely given. So based on this we can solve this practice set. So let us see the question number 1. Question number 1 is find the volume of the cylinder if height h and radius of the base r are as given below. Height and radius, two parameters are given, third parameter volume is we have to find. So in first example, sub question 1 of question 1, that is r is equal to 10.5, h is equals to 8. Values are given directly, not a word problem, so directly we can go for the solution. We can say volume is equal to pi r square h. Replace the values. Pi is equal to 22 upon 7 into r square. R is 10.5. Square of 10.5 into h. H is 8. So that is equals to 22 upon 7 into. See guys, this 10.5 ending with 5, so we can find its square directly. 10 11s are 110, ending with 25. One decimal point in the square root, so in the square there will be two decimal points. So 22 upon 7 into 110.25 into 8. If you are having any confusion, how do I find out square of this so quickly, you can search for a video how to find out square of a number ending with 5, that I have explained in the third lesson. So link is given in the description. Please go through that video if you are having any doubt here. So 22 upon 7 into 110.25 into 8. 8 is not divisible by 7. So let's try to divide this 110.25 by 7. So 110.25 divided by 7. 7 1 the 7. 40. 7 5 is 35. Decimal point at its place 5. 52. 7 7 is 49. 3 35. 7 5 is 35. Yes, it is divisible, directly divided 15.75. So the number is 22 into 15.75 into 8, which is equals to 346.50. Is no need to write, multiplied by 8 again, which is equals to 8 5s are 40, 4 carried, 8 6 are 48, plus 4 52, 5 carried, 8 4s are 32, plus 5 write 7, carry 3, 37, 8 3s are 24, plus 3 27. Decimal point after one digits, so 2772.0, which is equals to, therefore volume is equals to 2772. All of the measurements are given in centimeter, so we can say cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Got it guys? Let us solve sub question 2 of this question number 1. R is equal to 2.5 meter, H is equal to 7 meter. Volume is equal to pi r square h. Replace the values. 22 upon 7 into r is 2.5. So 2.5 square into h. H is equals to 7. So that is equals to, this 7 will cut. So 22 multiplied by square of 2.5. Square of 25 is 625. So square of 2.5 is 6.25. So 22 multiplied by 6.25, which is equals to 6.25 multiplied by 22. 22 5s are 110, write 0, carry 11. 22 2s are 44, plus 11 55, write 5, carry 5. 22 6s are 132, plus 5 137, two decimal digits. So 137.50. Volume is 137.50. Units are given in meter. So meter cube, or written as cubic meter. Got it, guys? So please note down these two examples, as I have to rub the board and write question number 2. Students, next question is question number 2 from practice set 16.3 of lesson 16, surface area and volume of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. So let us see the question. Question is, how much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter rod? Such type of rod is always there. So rod is cylindrical. We have to make a rod. Rod is never hollow. So inside the rod there is the material. Which material? The material of which we are going to make the rod, right? Means we have to find out how much material we can fill in that rod. Means we have to find out volume of the rod. Okay, and to find out the volume, what information is given? How much iron is needed to make a rod of length 90 centimeter? Length of this rod, if we will consider it as a cylinder, automatically we can say this length is nothing but the height. So what is given? Height. Height is equals to 90 centimeter and diameter D is equal to 1.4 centimeter, and based on that we have to find out material required, which is nothing but volume. So volume is equal to how much? Let's go for the solution. To find out the volume, formula is pi r square h. So it requires r, radius, but given is diameter. So based on the diameter, let's find out. Radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So 1.4 divided by 2. Therefore r is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Clear, guys? So volume V is equal to pi r square h, that is equals to 22 upon 7 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by h. Height is equal to 90 centimeter. So which is equals to 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7. 22 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 90. So the multiplication is equals to 22 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by this 90. One decimal point will remove this 0. So 22 multiplied by 9 multiplied by this 0.7, which is equals to 9 2s are 18. 1 carried. 9 2s are 18 plus 1, 19. 198 multiplied by 0.7. Now which is again equals to 7 8s are 56. 5 carried. 7 9s are 63 plus 5 68. 6 carried. 7 1s are 7 plus 6 13. Total one decimal digit in both of the numbers, so here will be decimal point. Volume is equal to 138.6 cubic centimeter. Therefore, to make this rod 138.6 cubic centimeter iron is required. Guys, next question is question number 3 of practice set 16.3. Lesson 16, surface area and volume of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. So let us see the question. Question is, how much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter, right? How much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is? A tank is given and its diameter is given. So what kind of shape it is? It is nothing but a cylinder, means cylindrical tank. Such water tank is there, right? So how much water will a tank hold if the interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter? So this interior diameter of the tank is 1.6 meter, and the depth, right, which is nothing but height of the cylinder, is equals to 0.7 meter. So what information is given? Diameter of the cylinder is 1.6 meter and height of the cylinder is 0.7 meter. What we have to find? How much water it hold. So to find out the capacity in liter, what we have to find out? Capacity of the tank, capacity in liters. Students, capacity of any 3D object is nothing but volume of that object, right? Means we have to find out volume of this water tank, and to find out the capacity in liters we have to use one formula. That formula is 1 liter is equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. How much? 1000 cubic centimeter. Means whatever is the volume, that volume we have to divide by 1000 cubic centimeter. Means to divide by 1000 we have to find the volume in centimeter. So the given information we have to convert into centimeter and then find the volume. So let's first try to find out diameter and height in centimeters. Diameter is equals to 1.6 meter, which is equals to 160 centimeter. Clear guys? 1.6 multiplied by 100, 160. Height is equals to 0.7 meter, that is equals to 70 centimeter. We need radius, not the diameter, to find out volume. Therefore, a radius is equal to half of diameter, that is equals to 80 centimeter. Now we can use this value, height 70 centimeter, radius 80 centimeter, to find out the volume. Volume V is equal to pi r square h, that is equals to 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. R is 80, so 80 square into h. H is equals to 70. Clear guys? So that is equals to 22 multiplied by 80 square. 8 square is 64. 22 upon 7, sorry. 22 upon 7 multiplied by 6400 into 70. This 7 on the 7, 7 on the 7, here it will be 10. That is equals to 22 multiplied by 6400 6400 multiplied by 10 is equals to 64,000. Clear? Volume is equal to this much. But we have to find out capacity in liters. So capacity is equals to this volume divided by 1000. So capacity is equals to 22 multiplied by 64,000 divided by 1000, which is directly equals to this 30 will cut, this 30 will cut, 22 into 64, which is equals to 64 multiplied by 22. 22 4 the 88, 8 carried, 8 written, 8 carried. 22 6 ja 132 plus 8 140. 1408 liters. Capacity is 1408 liters. So that tank can hold 1408 liters of water. Got it guys? So please note down the example as I have to write next example. Guys, next and final question of this video is question number 4 of practice set 16.3 from lesson 6, surface area and volume of standard 8 of Maharashtra State Board. The question is find the volume of a cylinder. We have to find out volume of the cylinder. If the circumference of the cylinder is 132 centimeter, what is given? Circumference, outer boundary of the cylinder, and height is 25 centimeter. Height is given. So let's first write given information. Given circumference C is equal to 132 centimeter. Height H is equals to 25 centimeter. What we have to find? We have to find volume. V is equal to how much? Solution is easiest thing. Students, what is asked? Volume. What is the formula for volume? Pi r square h. Right? Volume is equal to pi r square h. This we have to find. So two values are required, r and h. Are they given? H is given, r is not given. So is there any clue to find out r given? What next information is given? C. Circumference. So based on circumference, can we find out radius? What is the formula for circumference? C is equal to 2 pi r. Okay. So what it contains? C and r. Because pi is constant. So if C is given, can we find out r? Yes. So based on the C, let's find out r. Based on this r, let's find out V. Let's go for it. Write down the formula for C. C is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, C is equal to 132 is equals to 2 multiplied by pi is 22 upon 7 into r. I have replaced the values in the formula. Let's find out r by equation solving technique. 2 will change, the side will divide. Therefore, 22 upon 7 multiplied by this r is equals to 132 divided by 2. Clear, guys? Therefore, r is equals to 132 divided by 2. This fraction, we are going to change the side, 22 upon 7. After changing side, it will divide. So, ultimately multiply by reciprocal, 7 upon 22. Now, apply test of divisibility. So, r is equal to 132 divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 13 minus 12. 1 is the remainder, 2 on it. 12. So 66. So r is equal to 66 into 7 upon 22. 22 1s are 22. 22 3s are 66. So r is equal to 3 into 7. So r is equal to 3 7s are 21 centimeter. Now we can use this r to find out volume. V is equal to pi r square h, that is equals to 22 upon 7 into r, 21, square into 21 into h is 25. 7 on the 7, 7 3 is 21. 22 into 3 into 21 into 25. Now there is not any other option rather than multiplying, so let's multiply. Table of 25 is easier, so let's multiply this 21 and 22 first. 22 into 21. 21 2s are 42, 4 carried. 21 2s are 42 plus 4, 46. So 462 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 25. Now I will multiply by 25. So table of 25 is easier, but table of 3 is easiest. So 25 2s are 50, 5 carried. 25 6 are 150 plus 5, 155, 15 carried. 25 4s are 100 plus 15, 115. 3 zeros are 0, 3 pies are 15, 1 carried. 3 pies are 15 plus 1, 16, 1 carried. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4, 3 1s are 3. 34,650 units are given in centimeter. So cubic centimeter. Thank you very much for watching the video till the end. I hope you have understood concept explained in this video. You might have learned something new through this video. Friends, if you have liked the video, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So every time I will upload a new video, you will get the notifications about it and you will not miss any of the concept of this simple subject. Thank you very much.